What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create an AdSense account in 2020, because if you want to become a YouTube partner this year, obviously you need a Google AdSense account in order to receive your earnings, optimize your payment settings, how you want to get paid and all that. So I made two videos in the past, I think maybe 3 weeks, about how to become a YouTube partner, how to monetize your videos, everything like that. So if you guys haven't seen these videos yet, make sure to check out the outro where you can click through, or you can check out this card when the video is done, obviously, because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a Google AdSense account in 3 easy steps. So with that being said, let's get started, obviously right after the intro. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, we are on Google. So we are going to type in Google AdSense, and we're going to go obviously to the landing page, which will be this one. So obviously at the very right top, it says sign in and get started. Now we don't already have an account, so we need to create one. So we're going to click on get started. Okay, so this is basically the form you need to fill out. Now, obviously, if you want to create an AdSense account for your YouTube earnings, what's going to happen is if you fill in your YouTube URL link, you will be redirected to YouTube. So I'll show you guys that in just a second. So we're going to type in also our email address. All right, so before we're going to continue, I want to mention that you can use AdSense for 2 types of advertising. The first type is probably the most popular one, which is these advertisements on your YouTube channel through AdSense, where you will get your earnings from your videos into your account. But what you can also do is you can also fill in your website, like a legit website and not your YouTube channel, if you want to place advertisements on your site itself, where people can click on and they will obviously, you get pay per click and all that. But right now we're going to use it for YouTube, so we're going to click on continue in YouTube. Okay, so right now if you want to do this for your YouTube channel, you will actually be redirected to the page where you can also see, right now I'm on this page because I already have an AdSense account linked to my YouTube channel, but that one is managed by my network, by my MCN. I don't really can't access that one, but if you're not signed yet with a YouTube network, or you didn't meet the criteria yet, you will actually land on a screen. I'll try to find an overlay of what you guys will see, show you at the very bottom like how many hours you need left and how many subscribers you need left in order to apply for monetization. And if you meet the criteria, if you have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, you'll be able to submit your request. And right now YouTube is going to take a look at it, and it's going to take a couple of weeks because obviously YouTube receives so many different applications every single day. They need to go through them like very equally and make sure that they're all legit and they don't need to make any like second decisions and all that. So right now it is just a matter of waiting until your partner program application is approved, and once it is approved, this is basically how your Google AdSense account will look like. You can see your earnings, what you earned today, what you earned in total. You can also check out your settings and optimize your payment settings and all that. So it's really easy to actually create a AdSense account, guys. Just go ahead and go to adsense.com, fill in your YouTube channel link. You will be redirected. If you don't meet the criteria, just make sure to keep out ranking content and actually just build up your YouTube channel. And if you are actually eligible, you will be able to submit your application, and you just have to wait for an answer from YouTube, and you will also see that answer through an email or through a dashboard on YouTube. So this is basically how to create an AdSense account, guys, in 2020. It's a little bit different than like a year or 2 years ago, where you would just actually be able to apply for partnership even if you did not meet the criteria, and YouTube had to like reject thousands and thousands of applications. That's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, make sure to reward it with a like down below. And this is basically how to create an AdSense account in 2020. Alright guys, so that is how to do it. This is how you create a Google AdSense account in 2020. That's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the continued support. I'll see you guys obviously in a brand new video as always on a Wednesday. So I'll see you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.